Welcome to the T&G Diaries. My name is Jim Benedict in Calgary, Alberta. The T&G Diaries are a series of tutorial short videos to help people get through the learning process, the beginning process, and learning more features of T&G itself. Bit of background on me. I'm 73 years old, and I started my studies about 15 years ago with boxes of my mother's old photographs. From there, I got deeper into the Benedict side of the family and decided to join some local societies. One I joined is the Alberta Family History Society. We have about 25 of their members using T&G. Then joined the Guild of One Name Studies, a global-wide community that study individual surnames or one names. With that society, we now have about 80 people using T&G. I'm also manager of the Y-DNA study for the Benedict surname. So why T&G? Because I needed a website and found out a lot of other people felt the same way about their studies. And T&G did fill the bill. We now have over 100 users between the AFHS and the Guild of One Name Studies. So what is the T&G Diaries? It's a set of short videos, 5 to 10 minutes, that will walk you through different aspects of T&G. They're grouped into 4 playlists on the YouTube channel, T&G Genealogy, beginning with the beginner videos for people that are just getting started on T&G. And then we have the user set of videos for people that are already into T&G but want to learn the various functions and features available to them. Then we have a set of videos for administrator people who have to look after the site on behalf of all their users. And finally, we're going to have a set of videos of tips and tricks to guide you through some of the neat side benefits you have with T&G. So let's get started. The T&G Diaries, Day 1, an introduction. Let's first of all introduce you to the creator of T&G, Darren Lithgow. He is the person that has done all the design, programming, and support of the next generation application for the rest of us to enjoy. T&G is being used by more than 15,000 family researchers across the globe. What is T&G? That stands for the Next Generation of Genealogy Site Building. It's an internet-based genealogy application, but it contains all of the features of a standard family tree software. You might be used to Family Tree Maker, Legacy, PAF, Family Historian, and you will find that T&G pretty well contains all of the functionality of other such applications. But the neat aspect of T&G is it makes all of these features available to others across the internet. It does require a website to run. T&G is a web-based application that some people call in the cloud. It's not really in a cloud, but that makes it a good mental concept. It is actually hosted on a web service provider site which you connect to through your internet browser. Using your computer or tablet or mobile phone, you call up the site in a browser window. The T&G pages you see actually reside in the website as computer code ready to display on demand. The pages get populated with your family data, such as families, images, history, and reports. That information is requested from a central database at the website. All of this is extracted, organized, formatted, and displayed to you in real time. A key feature is having the page design being separated from that database. You can select a variety of page appearances without touching your family tree information. Let's have a quick look at 4 T&G examples. Here are 4 different distinct T&G websites. You'll notice that they're different in appearance, color, positioning of information, content, some have images and the like, and yet they're all T&G. These 4 sites are extracting their information from one common back-end database, and that means that all the information on families, individuals, birth, marriage, death records, cemeteries, headstones, places and the like are all contained in one central repository, and yet each of these 4 members have what appear to be distinct different T&G websites. When you start your T&G website, you have 2 directions to take it to get it populated. How do you do your family digital research will determine the choice. Do you want to use your new TNG website as your primary repository, or will you continue to use your home computer application? If you do decide to use the information from your existing computer, a GEDCOM file is the safest and fastest way to populate TNG with people and families. If you already have a GEDCOM file from your home computer, then you import it into TNG. TNG then becomes a backup resource. If you do not have a GEDCOM file, but want to get TNG going right away, check your computer application for how to generate the GEDCOM file and then transfer it to TNG. If you do not want to create a GEDCOM file, or you just want to start your family tree information from the beginning, then start from scratch. That was my choice, starting from scratch. It was an opportunity to review my research material and to add any missing sources and notes. In the next video, we will visit a few sample TNG sites.